The 2025 Cadillac Eldorado, while expected to be a luxury icon, might face the following potential hidden problems based on trends in luxury vehicles and early automotive critiques. Potential hidden problems. 1. Battery range and charging for electric variant. If the Eldorado is released as an EV, it might face challenges in range, consistency, or long charging times compared to competitors. 2. Technology overload. Complex infotainment systems or driver assist features may suffer from software glitches or steep learning curves. 3. Maintenance costs. Luxury parts and specialized systems could lead to higher than expected repair and maintenance expenses. 4. Suspension and ride comfort. Over-reliance on adaptive suspension systems could lead to reliability issues over time. 5. Fuel economy for ICE variant. If a gasoline model is available, it may face criticism for poor fuel efficiency, given evolving environmental standards. 6. Resale value. Luxury cars often experience significant depreciation, and this could impact long-term ownership costs. 7. Build quality issues. Early models of redesigned vehicles sometimes face quality control issues, such as panel misalignment or interior material degradation. These issues are speculative but align with known challenges faced by luxury car manufacturers in recent years.